In this video, I will show you how to become a seller in Temu. The method is straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Right, so you have to understand the advantages of becoming a seller on Temu or any online platform. So first off is you have to go to temu.com. Right, so I am using Google Chrome right now, but it's okay if you are using other browsers such as Firefox, Safari, Opera, and Brave. Now you should sign up as a seller. Okay, and once you've signed up as a seller, you'll be able to create your account and log in using your credentials. Now I'm here at my homepage as a seller right here. All right, so you also have the options not only being a seller, but if you want to try earning more and maximizing the online platform, I suggest you go here at the affiliate program and influencer program. So not only you are a seller, you became an affiliate or an influencer program. Say for example, if you think you can attract more users to Temu or introduce them to items they are interested in, Temu would love for you to join the Temu affiliate program and share millions in commissions, all right? With regards to the Temu influencers, of course, the platforms are looking for content creators to rock their favorite Temu looks and finds. Create content aligned with your brand and grow your following, right? It's that simple. So once you've created your seller account, okay, you hover here at the affiliate program and influencer program marketing so you can maximize the potential of you being a seller or affiliate or an influencer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.